Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So it's Lillian here. This video I'm about to make is going to be all over the place, so please pardon me for that. Thank you for every one of you for your support. Okay, I really appreciate it. Please, after watching this video, share, like, subscribe, thumbs up. Okay, yeah, this thumbs up is very necessary. And so now it's Saturday now, so I want to start getting ready. I'm going to make my baby's hair for the first time, as she's 1 year 3 months. Yeah, so I'm going to make her hair today for the first time. So I'm actually going to take you guys along few days in my life. Like, it was not actually a particular day, so I'll do this one, I'll do this one. I have many things I will do for the week, so I want to take you guys along. See my natural hair. I'm feeling my natural hair. See now. Hey God. Hey God. Please, I need a natural hair product though. Let me try. So yeah, let me get ready and start going to the salon. I have a white girl that makes, she's married to a black, so she knows how to make baby's hair so that it will not be so tight. So we are going there now. So I'll get her ready, get myself ready and start going. Yeah.
Ryan Little.
So we're here now. I'm started making the hair already. Yeah, the struggle to make this girl's hair was not, the struggle is real. It was not really easy. At a time, we have to move to the couch to slide down, like, because she loved breastfeeding. She loved lying down to breastfeed. So that was the only position that we could get her for us to make that hair. So at the time, it was not easy.
Several days later.
So we came here to buy baby stuff like diaper, toothbrush. I think I had to get on now. Toothbrush. For baby. For 1 year. Please comment down below if your baby is 1 year and has your baby started using toothbrush, because I'm planning to buy toothbrush for my baby. I'm just using towel to clean her tongues.
Oh, okay.
I be her tongue. You can count for 1 year. Okay, the 5 years. Maybe they now 5 years to 9 years.
Okay. This
Oh, in the age I can. You should know when they 1 year. Oh no, why? Why you not this small? Take good and can. Don't touch it. Huh?
This one is for how many years? For how many years?
1 year.
1 year up. 1 year up. Okay.
It was 1 year. Okay.
This one 1 year up.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm going to put this thing.
Okay, for Fuka for no laugh here. Fuka for no laugh. You can't go to the food already.
No. 9. Spend it on Talaka now. 9 Talaka now.
Okay.
9, 20, 22. It's still far.
It's happy.
Okay.
They after me and what time will they after me? I think I got to do my hair first time. This one is okay. I don't know. This is the first time buying this kind of things.
Orange. That one on can strawberry.
Oh, you might have content. Okay, strawberry. Okay, we kill like the strawberry. Strawberry have chocolate or I don't know. Okay, orange. We think orange. When we kill like the orange flavor. When we think orange. When we kill like orange flavor.
Okay. Sorry.
So guys, the last clip you saw was when we went to the supermarket to buy something for my baby, her diaper. So now it's another day altogether. I'm craving for fried rice. I'm craving for this fried rice since, so I'm going to the supermarket. I have my list here to pick things that I use to make the rice. The card I'll use is already waiting for me downstairs. So I'm going down now. Hi. Hey, we're done. Hi, long time. Okay. I'm here now. Let me quickly pick what I want. Actually need the black pepper. Black pepper. Since I'm doing shopping today, just take my time. Cinnamon. Okay, I see cinnamon stick, but I've been looking for this stick since. I love to drink it. Sweet corn. I think I wrote sweet corn. Guys, I just finished buying, so I'm here so that let me pay. I'm going home, guys. Going home. I bought. I didn't show you guys everything, but some of them. So, and I'm getting them ready for the rice. The rice is boiling. My rice is boiling. Yeah. So the extractor is making so much noise. I have to do voiceover for this. So I've already started frying the vegetables to add the rice. And my rice is already cooked. So I'll go ahead and mix everything. Mix them step by step. Fried rice. She'll be mixing it step by step. I'm going ahead to mix that step by step. Yeah. So I'll add small soy sauce. Yeah. Actually, this is my first time using this soy sauce to make fried rice. So that's basically it. Step one. Yeah, so this one is ready. Now I'm going ahead to mix another batch. Yeah, so that everything will go around. I'm sweating, I'm tired. But we move, okay? So after cooking, I'm going to come and join me. I know it will be yummy. Like the first one I've tested is, oh my god. My dear people of God, I finished cooking. My baby, I'm backing her because thank God, thankfully that when she started stopping, I'm almost done. So she's here at my back. You can see I'm tying her. Okay, maybe see her from there. See her. I'm tying her. Thank God I finished cooking. So let me show you. Let me show you. So this is the final product. This is what the rice looks like. Yeah, everywhere is messy, so I'm going ahead to tidy up everywhere, put the chicken inside the food. That's basically enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, please. Okay, please. Don't worry, every one of you, I'll send your own rice across. Okay, it's yummy also. Then yeah, I'm going ahead to clean up everywhere and arrange everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.